overall, in the large caps also, are there any key sectors that are in your preference list right now, which will continue to gain favor over the next 6-8 months?
Yeah, so we are looking at 3-4 key sectors from a next 12 to 18-month perspective. One we already discussed, which was the large banks, which forms a big part of the market. The second segment where we are positive is technology. We believe that Indian companies are now starting to see some amount of discretionary spends come back. The quarter gone by has shown that some of the companies' commentary in terms of outlook has started to improve. Most of the companies believe that 2025 as a calendar year should be better than 2024 as a calendar year in terms of growth. And therefore, as you know, that tech companies in terms of multiples are most geared to the top line growth. And therefore, as growth starts to come back, specifically in large geographies such as North America, in verticals such as BFSI, we do expect to see some improvement in the earnings trajectory. So that's the second segment. The third is healthcare, and within that, some of the domestic branded plays as well as hospitals continue to remain our positive picks in that segment. And the fourth, as a theme that we have been playing, is the rural recovery. Rural recovery does seem to be on the way, though it's at a slow and steady pace. Therefore, companies and sectors which benefit from improvement in the rural consumption pickup would be some of our preferred picks within our portfolio.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.